This video is tips on your Wi-Fi. Hi, I'm Locascio. I give tips on how to maintain your computer and how to repair your computer. And today's subject is going to be about Wi-Fi. Some people tell me that I don't have any Wi-Fi connection. I had it before. And I'm going to tell you a few tips what you can do to check your Wi-Fi. First of all, look at your computer by the clock's lower right. If you have a little yellow exclamation point or a little yellow mark on your Wi-Fi indicator, that means you're not getting the signal through Wi-Fi. Okay, so after that, what do? First of all, you go to your router and you turn your router off. You go to your modem and you turn your modem off. You restart your computer. Wait like a minute, turn your router on and turn your wireless router on and turn your modem on. Some people have a modem and a router built in together, so make sure you turn that off and turn it on again. And turn the computer on and then wait a couple seconds. Try a website, and if it's still not connecting, what you do is you close the browser. And there is a button on top of the browser, on the top of the modem or router, and you hold that button in for like 5 seconds, and that might connect you right to the Wi-Fi again. And then if that doesn't work, some modems and some routers have a little reset in the back of them. Look at it, it's a little red, like a button inside. You take a paper clip and you hold that in for about 10 seconds. That'll reset the router, and then try it again. Restart the router, restart the modem, and then restart the computer. Most of the time that'll get everything going again. Those are basic tips on how to use your router and your modem to get your Wi-Fi back. Most of the time that works. If it doesn't work or you need additional tips, let me know. Or if you have any additional questions, let me know in the comments and I will give you the answer and help you out further. Again, this is Mike, and I give computer tips, and if you find any value in this video, please like and share and watch some of my other videos. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.